Hi everyone, my name is Jared Westover. Welcome to my course, Handling Errors in T-SQL. I'm a SQL architect and a Microsoft certified solutions expert in data management and analytics. Most importantly, I love working with data. During the development phase of an application, error handling can easily become an afterthought, especially when it comes to database objects such as stored procedures. However, knowing how to deal with exceptions when they pop up in SQL Server is critical to being a proficient developer. In this course, we'll examine several error handling methods currently available in SQL Server. Having knowledge of SQL Server and prior experience with writing queries will be helpful as you go through the course. Some of the major topics that we will cover include why handling errors at the database level is important, how and why to control transactions in SQL Server, methods for raising exceptions in T-SQL, several real-world examples of handling errors. By the end of this course, you will have a solid foundation to start optimizing your T-SQL ad hoc scripts and stored procedures to handle exceptions. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn error handling with the Handling Errors in T-SQL course at Pluralsight.